Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where I inspire people to live a better life. Today, I want to share something deeply transformative that I have learned from one of the most profound texts in human history, the Bhagavad Gita. If you are someone who is seeking inner peace, guidance in life struggles, or simply looking for wisdom on how to live with a calm mind, this is the video for you. In this video, we will explore key lessons from the Bhagavad Gita that have helped me personally find peace and harmony in life. So, let's dive in. Lesson number 1: Detachment from results. Nishkam Karma. One of the first and the most important lessons from the Gita is the concept of Nishkam Karma, means acting without attachment to the results. Krishna advises Arjuna to perform his duties without worrying about the outcome. The idea is simple: we can control only our actions, not the results. This teaching has helped me understand that focusing too much on success or failure creates stress. The key is to stay present, put in the effort, and trust that the universe will take care of the rest. By practicing this, I have found more inner peace as I am no longer consumed by anxiety about the future. Lesson number 2 is the power of self discipline. The Gita teaches us the importance of self discipline in chapter 6. Krishna speaks about sadhana or consistent practice and how it leads to mastery of both the mind and body. When we take control of our thoughts and actions through daily practice, we cultivate inner peace. This lesson has helped me build a structured routine in my own life, whether it's reading, physical exercises, or meditation. Adding daily practices has brought more peace and stability into my day to day existence. Lesson number 3 is the nature of the mind. Manobriti. Krishna also talks about the nature of the mind. He describes the mind as a turbulent and difficult to control, like a stormy ocean, but also says that through practice and detachment, it can be conquered. This has been a powerful lesson for me. The mind can be our biggest enemy, but with conscious effort and regular mental discipline, we can bring it into balance. When you focus your thoughts, you can achieve a state of peace, no matter the external circumstances. Lesson number 4 is embracing change. Another vital teaching from the Gita is about the nature of life itself, the constant cycle of birth, death, and rebirth known as samsara. Krishna explains that everything in life is temporary and nothing is permanent, not even our struggles or happiness. Accepting that life is always changing has allowed me to not get too attached to either success or failure. It has taught me to embrace the flow of life, knowing that every situation, whether good or bad, is just a passing moment. This mindset has brought me profound peace because I no longer resist change, I welcome it. Lesson number 5 is self knowledge and inner peace. Perhaps the most profound teaching in the Bhagavad Gita is the realization of Atman, or the true self. Krishna reminds Arjuna that we are not our body, nor our mind, we are eternal souls. When we realize this, we detach from the constant pull of desires and find peace in our true nature. Understanding that I am not my thoughts, emotions, or circumstances has been life changing. By practicing mindfulness and meditation, I have been able to reconnect with my true self. and experience peace from within. This realization has taught me that peace is not something external, but something that resides within all of us. So, those are just few of the many lessons that Bhagavad Gita has taught me on my journey towards a peaceful life. From acting without attachment to cultivating self discipline, embracing change, and realizing our true nature, these teachings have helped me navigate life with more clarity, calm, and understanding. I hope these insights from the Gita can inspire you on your own path to peace. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on philosophy, spirituality, and self growth. Thanks for watching, and may you always find peace on your journey. Much love.